Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Amazon Fire HD 8 Kids Pro to an Android device. First of all, open Play Store on an Android and App Store on Amazon. Then get this free app called Send Anywhere from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. In order to continue on Amazon, you need to choose Open. Then follow the tutorial by tapping on the bottom right corner or skip it by clicking on bottom left one. Now you need to choose Grant Access at the bottom right one. Choose Allow in the pop-up and tap on Send at the bottom left corner. On an Android though, open your app. Click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. In this window you can choose Not Now if you wish to, and then close it by selecting OK. Then choose Receive at the bottom of it. Finally, you can click on all of those dots from all of those categories and tap on this little icon next to Selected. This way you will choose all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though to do it now, so I will go with only one photo. Maybe this one. Choose this icon and wait. Okay. When you see this kind of screen, you can choose one of those options on an Android, click on Close this window and pick one of those connection ways. You can scan the QR code by tapping on this scanning icon next to Input key, choosing while using the app or only this time, and point your device's camera at the code. But you can always input this key over here and connect using Receive button. Either way, after a couple of seconds, your file will be successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!